Hello, and welcome back to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. Have you ever wondered how a single herb can hold the key to both culinary delight and a treasure trove of health benefits? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of herbal benefits of medicinal rosemary. Can a fragrant leaf sharpen your mind, bolster your immunity, and transport you through centuries of tradition? Get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating world of rosemary, where its aromatic allure is just the beginning of its remarkable story. Could the secret to luscious locks be found in an herb that's been a culinary staple for centuries? Get ready to unlock a hair care revelation as we dive into the world of rosemary, nature's natural hair elixir. Imagine a natural remedy that not only stimulates hair growth, but transforms the battle against hair loss. It's all about carnosic acid, the unsung hero within rosemary, which takes on the notorious DHT, responsible for hair loss. But that's not all. We're about to reveal how rosemary goes head-to-head with minoxidil, proving itself as the superior choice for hair rejuvenation. From initiation to completion, from follicular thickness to count, rosemary takes the lead. And here's the kicker: it's localized, targeting where it matters most. Ready to witness the transformation? Discover the 1% Wonder, a simple rosemary hair lotion at 1% strength, applied twice daily for 30 days, works magic. From stimulating hair growth to transforming cholesterol levels, could a single herb hold the key to such diverse benefits? Brace yourself as we transition from discussing rosemary's role in promoting hair rejuvenation into its lesser known, yet equally impressive feat, aiding in cholesterol management. The spotlight highlights carnosic acid again, the champion residing within rosemary. Picture this: inhibiting gastric lipase, regulating liver enzymes, and enhancing bile excretion. But can a mere 8% extract, a mere 11 milliliters a day, truly bring about these remarkable effects? Join us in unraveling the mysteries of this unassuming herb and ask yourself, could nature's answer to holistic well-being be right at our fingertips? Now, journey with us to discover how rosemary takes center stage in treating skin damage. Imagine carnosic acid, our protective guardian, shielding your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays, thwarting sunburn, spots, and wrinkles. But there's more. Enter rosmarinic acid, a defender against reactive oxygen species, preserving cells from oxidative stress. Can a topical dosage of 1,500 milligrams be the secret to restoring your skin's vitality? Stepping beyond rosemary's benefits for hair, cholesterol, and skin health, a new revelation awaits: its power in treating acne. Imagine rosmarinic acid taking the stage again, directly targeting the notorious acne-causing bacteria, P. acnes. By shrinking these troublemakers and degrading their cell walls, it's a defense like no other. Can a topical dose of 1,200 milligrams per milliliter truly be the solution to clearer skin? And here's the question that lingers: could this unassuming herb be the long-sought answer to your skin concerns? Rosemary also has the potential to enhance memory. Directing our focus towards memory improvement, we uncover rosemary's impact on memory speed and recall. Enter our friend, carnosic acid, the key player that inhibits acetylcholine enzymes, paving the way for heightened long-term memory. But how much rosemary is needed to harness this cognitive boost? Discover the dosage that matters: 500 milligrams twice a day for 1 month. Our focus now shifts to uncovering rosemary's roles in treating depression. Imagine carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid working in harmony, regulating the HPA axis to boost dopamine, serotonin, and cholinergic function in the brain. How can such a simple herb hold such profound potential for mental health? Explore the answer as we reveal the recommended dosage, 500 milligrams twice daily for 8 weeks. Rosemary thrives in zones 7 through 11. Rosemary is established mainly through cuttings, as it can be a bit difficult to germinate. For harvesting, the younger stems are a culinary delight, while the older ones find purpose in decoctions and tinctures. Preservation techniques span tincturing, alcohol decoction, oil infusion, and more. Despite its overall safety, prolonged medicinal use requires deeper investigation, and its toxicity profile remains uncharted. Skin irritation, though rare, may occur especially among those sensitive to this herb. Stepping into medical considerations, rosemary offers multiple benefits, but raises concerns for those with biliary blockages, since rosemary can increase liver enzyme production. Rosemary has potential interactions with commercial medications as well. These include seizure medicines, as rosemary can have additive effects. Also, rosemary has the ability to increase the effect of diuretics. Since it can increase urination, rosemary should also be cautioned in those taking lithium, since it can increase blood lithium levels. Blood thinners can also interact with medicinal rosemary doses and can lead to a decrease in blood clotting. This can be an important point for those about to undergo surgery. Those taking diabetic medication should be aware that rosemary can also decrease blood sugar levels beyond the desired effect. Unlocking the versatile applications of rosemary extends to various methods of preparation and consumption. For starters, a flavorful rosemary tea can be brewed effortlessly by using 2 to 6 grams of the herb and infusing it in 150 milliliters of boiling water. Sip on this aromatic concoction 2 to 3 times a day to harness its potential. If you're looking for a more concentrated approach, consider opting for rosemary extract. A dose of 10 to 20 milliliters, taken up to 3 times daily, can provide its benefits effectively. Delving into the world of decoctions, a 1 to 20 ratio presents an effective concentration. This decoction serves not only as a potent internal remedy, but also as an indulgent external treat. Add 1 liter of it to your bathwater twice a week for a rejuvenating experience. Alternatively, infuse your daily bath with the essence of rosemary by adding 50 grams of the herb directly. The versatility of rosemary's applications truly shines through in these varied methods, offering both holistic well-being and indulgent self-care. So, who is rosemary for? Adults? Yes. Children? Yes. Over the age of 12, since there is no medical information for those less than 12 years of age. Pregnancy? With caution, since more research is needed to establish safety. Breastfeeding? Also with caution, until further studied. Remember, always ask your doctor before starting any new medication or supplement. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. We post new top 5 videos every week, as well as a new Herb of the Week video every Friday afternoon. If you have enjoyed this video, you may also enjoy these playlists featuring our previous Herbs of the Week or our top 5 videos organized by medical condition or ailment. Thanks and happy watching!